Why do athlete contracts need a buyout clause? Imagine being locked into a deal where you can't leave even if a better opportunity comes along. That's where a buyout clause in athlete contracts comes into play. These clauses are like a safety net for players, giving them a way out if they want to move to another team. They also protect teams from losing their star players without compensation. A buyout clause is a specific part of the contract that states a set amount of money the athlete can pay to terminate the agreement early. Usually, this fee is quite high, often millions of dollars, and both sides agree on it before signing. The idea is to make it clear how much it costs to buy out the contract, so everyone knows what to expect. This helps avoid confusion or disputes later on. From a legal point of view, buyout clauses are enforceable if they are fair and clearly written into the contract. They are considered part of the agreement and can be challenged if they are seen as penalties rather than genuine damages. If a team or player tries to challenge the clause in court, the courts will look at whether the fee is reasonable and whether both sides agreed to it freely. Practically, buyout clauses give athletes the freedom to leave if they perform well and attract interest from bigger clubs or organizations. For example, if a player is performing at a high level and a top team wants to sign them, the buyout clause sets a price that the new team must pay to make the transfer happen. This makes negotiations clearer and faster. Buyout clauses also act as a deterrent. If the fee is very high, other teams might think twice before trying to poach a player. It keeps the current team stable and prevents constant transfers that could disrupt team chemistry. Another reason for a buyout clause is to show a player's market value. If a player has a low buyout fee, it might mean they are eager to move or less valued by their current team. A high fee, on the other hand, signals that the team considers the player very important. In sports law and athlete rights, these clauses balance the athlete's desire to seek better opportunities with the team's interest in keeping their key players. While some see buyout clauses as promoting disloyalty, they are a common feature of modern contracts. They help make negotiations clearer and give players the flexibility they need to grow their careers. Overall, buyout clauses are an essential part of athlete contracts. They provide a clear way for players to leave if they want to, while also protecting teams from losing their assets without compensation. They keep the transfer process fair and transparent, which benefits everyone involved in the world of sports.